We're here with David Enloe from Ajinomoto Bio-Pharma Services. David, tell me about Ajinomoto Bio-Pharma Services and what's new here.
Right, so a lot's new. We basically are taking a lot of the Ajinomoto companies that are in the CDMO space, and historically there has been a separate small molecule company with a very good reputation, long history and track record called Omnichem based in Belgium. And then also we have a large molecule company that was acquired a little bit over 5 years ago based in the US, doing large molecule as well as fill finish and getting into the ADC space. And that was is a company called Althea. And then there are other technologies and companies that Ajinomoto has owned. And I've told to people that in the M&A world, Ajinomoto had done a lot of the A, but not a lot of the M yet. And so this is where we're really integrating our companies and responding to what the industry is needing and requiring now, which is a far more simplified supply chain. You see our customer base now being less focused on specific technologies, platforms, and more on broad supply chain to address their drug supply needs. And so they're agnostic to whether that's large molecule or small molecule. So what we've done in response to that is created a way to have a simplified experience, a common unified experience across the globe. And as the pressure on biopharmaceutical companies continues to have a smaller network of deeper, more trusted CDMO partners, we're now poised as Aji Biopharma to be one of those global providers.
Sure. So what do you see as the challenges that an organization like yours faces in the current global climate, and therefore what are the opportunities that you're going to look to exploit with this new structure?
Yeah, good question. So for us, it's really all about compliance, quality, and commitment to serving and delivering on the promises that we're making. And so what's really changing, obviously, is I'll just say it this way: the regulatory bar is not lowering. There's a lot of harmonization across the globe in terms of standards, and we're now able to harness our expertise from a regulatory perspective in India, in Europe, in the US, in Japan, and combine those forces and be able to offer our customers a more global perspective and contextualize a specific project and set it up for not just the short-term requirement, but also the longer-term requirements across the globe.
And that speaks very much to many of the customer benefits, but there are also benefits to your staff, in terms of being part of a much more conjoined international umbrella.
Right. This is one of the things I'm most excited about is that as we add more and more people to our workforce, we've literally added hundreds of new employees over the past couple of years already. And as we combine and grow, and we will grow faster than we would have as individuals, we're able to afford people opportunities that they would have never before had being part of a Belgian CMO or a US West Coast CMO. And we already have examples, strong examples of both interim and longer term assignments where people are able to broadly exchange and interchange best practices, live in different locations, work remotely in different locations. So we're really excited about that part.
That's great. And here at CPhI Worldwide, obviously, apart from announcing the launch and spreading that good word, what are the other conversations you're looking to have with visitors to the show here? Not just over the 3 days here, but also over the next 6, 12, 18 months or so.
Right, so doing what we've now done from a operational point of view and a client experience point of view and an employee experience point of view, it also sets us up now to really be ready to engage in further M&A activity. So we're building an enterprise that is scalable now. We're implementing global quality systems, global communication, and now we'll be able to look across at other acquisition opportunities to grow. And the other thing that I want to say from a show point of view is we want to make sure that we remember this is all about the patients. And so as we talk to people here that we're potentially providing product for or already providing product for, we want to remain very, very focused on the patients that we serve. And the fact now that as a larger company we can do that across a more global footprint is very exciting for me.
David, terrific to talk to you. Finally, if people want to find out more apart from coming to see you here and looking at your profile on the CPhI online, where should people find you?
Right. So our website is Bio-Pharma.com. Love to be able to interchange and or just come find us at the booth.
Been great to talk to you, David. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.